Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Faiz Sheikh. I'm a full-time trader. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe for trading related videos. Today's video is about a trade I took in Bank Nifty, which had a great risk to reward. I booked around 13,000 profit in less than 5 minutes. How I did that, why I entered the trade, what was my stop loss. I'll be showing my order with you along with the time I entered and exited the trade. And you will learn one of the most important lessons in trading, which is risk to reward. In simple language, that means if you are risking one, you should be making at least one. That's minimum. Obviously, you don't want to lose one, and when you are right, you make 0.5. Yeah, that's a non-brainer. So when you risk one, you should make at least one minimum, or you can make 1.5 or 2. The bigger the number, the higher the quality of your trade and your trading system, of course. So the trade I took that had a 2 risk reward, a bit more actually, and you'll be seeing that it was an interesting setup because that was soon after the market opened and it was in the opposite side. So I did a buy trade and then market spiked up. Therefore I was out very early in 5 minutes. So let's go to the charts and I'll be showing you what I mean. Stay tuned. So here we are in my order book. Let's ignore this. That's something I tried earlier this morning. This is the trade I took. That is 1024. I entered Bank Nifty at 230. So I bought 125 quantity. So let's see where that is. 1024. We are in the 5-minute time frame. So in this candle, I was in. So let's put a line at 1024. So this is the price I entered for. And you can see I put a stop loss order at 189, which I had to cancel obviously because my target was met. So 189. So that was here below this candle, almost the candle where I entered. That's where I put the stop loss. I exited for a profit of 309 and then 354 with 50 quantity. I exited here with 2 lots, and with 3 lots I exited here. So now I want to share one of the best tools I find in TradingView. This website you must be using. You can also use it in your kite. Zerodha has that, the TradingView chart, not the IQ chart what they have. I will give a link to the account where you can open with Zerodha because that's one of the best brokers there is. I highly recommend that, very low brokerage. So this is called the risk reward calculator. This is for when you go long, so when you buy or when you short, and how you calculate your entry price, your target, your stop loss. So it automatically comes by one risk reward, you can see. So let's reduce this to the stop loss I had entered. That is 89. And my average was 330, where it got squared up. 106 point is my average, including this and this. So this is where it got squared up. So that's a risk reward ratio of 2.49. Let's call it 2.5. That's a great risk reward because actually if you see, it was a big spike up. So I booked up. And here you can see it went to a maximum risk reward of 5.5. So in simple language, you are risking 10,000 and what maximum you could make was 50,000. That's of course amazing. I was aiming for risking 10,000 to make 20 or 25,000. That's just to speak in terms of ratio. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. You can see the risk was 40 points and the profit was booked at more than 100 points. So that's pretty good. And you see that it never came back to the buying price and it just continued upwards. Maximum it went to 6.8. So this is just one way to calculate things, and that's the only trade I took. As you can see in my order book, market is closed already. You can see it was executed within 5 minutes. So it's no rocket science, just have a nice risk reward ratio. Don't overtrade and things will be good. Hope you guys find the video useful. If you did, kindly hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It will help my videos and my channel a lot. Now, if you're someone who is willing to start trading or is already trading but not really getting the results, or he knows that there is potential, because there definitely is, there are a lot of quality moves in the market what one can capture. If you're struggling, kindly contact me. We can talk it out, see what you are lacking, where is your weak point and your strong point, and we will try to make your weak point into strong points. And everything related to technical and psychological aspect of trading, I will make sure we do our best to nurture you so you can perform in your best way and benefit from this market and become a winner, because there's at the end only two kind of players in the market, the winners and the losers, and you know which side to be on. That's all for today, guys. If you would like to see more such videos, let me know in the comment section. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.